For today's PM, tanong ni Pepe Smith, gawa naman daw kami ng video about a photo and video editing PC build. This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop, pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin naman makatulong, especially para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa hobby. When it comes to photo and video editing, ang pinaka-important na performance we should look for is number 1, timeline smoothness, meaning gaano siya ka-smooth or responsive while you're editing or using the app. And number 2 is render time. So especially sa mga professional editors, time is money. So the faster you can render, the faster din yung delivery mo and faster din yung sweldo hopefully. Ang pinaka may impact na component dito is yung CPU, and specifically, more cores equals faster performance. So we recommend getting either a Ryzen 7 9700X or a Core Ultra 7. Depende sa budget, you can go with previous generations, pero in this case, better performance yung Intel CPUs. Isa pang very important is the amount of RAM. Typically, we recommend 32GB, but for the use case, pasang-awa lang siya honestly. Better to go for 64GB na if your budget allows it. Now, generally, di naman requirement na may GPU, but in some cases, may mga effects and apps na nagte-take advantage ng GPU acceleration. And if that's your use case, a 4060 Ti or 5060 Ti with 16GB VRAM is the most na we can recommend. Generally, better ang NVIDIA pag productivity since maganda talaga studio drivers nila and yung software, including yung CUDA. You don't need anything naman na higher than this GPU tier unless may iba ka pang paggagamitan ng PC. And the rest of the parts, basta compatible, take note na rin of the cooling requirements ng CPU. Definitely aftermarket na cooler na yan. A decent motherboard na kaya i-handle yung CPU, PSU with enough wattage, and of course, a case with good airflow.